Hello, here we have the 1/2 inch Toledo torque wrench. I bought this in WA from a place called Toolmart. Packaging is very nice. Good, solid, sturdy plastic case with 2 clips on the front. When inside, you get an instruction manual and certificate of calibration, as you can see here. Upon first inspection, the torque wrench looked fairly good. It is a very cheap torque wrench. I bought it mainly for wheel nuts. It has a very nice finish to it. Felt very solid and strong. A nice smooth ratcheting system. On the front, you can see there are FootPounds. Spins very nice and smoothly with a locking pin on the bottom. Once that pin is locked, it feels fairly secure. On the back, you will notice there are Newton meters. Unfortunately, it is the conversion rate from foot-pounds, so they're not whole numbers. One of the bad things about this torque wrench, and because of that, I decided to return the tool, as I wanted one that is primarily in Newton meters. Other than that, the tool felt very good, but unfortunately, I will be returning it. Everything fits back in the box nice and securely. It's not overly big, so it will fit in your tool cart or toolbox.